Hello guys, this is Hobby Genius, and today I'm going to teach you how to make 3 amazing patterns on the 2x2. So let's get started. The first pattern I will be teaching you is the checkerboard. There are only 4 steps to make the checkerboard design on the 2x2. Move the front layer twice. Move the right layer twice. Then move the top layer twice. Then move the right layer again twice. And now you have the checkerboard design on the 2x2. As you can see, there is no design on 2 of the faces of the 2x2. It is like this on the 2x2 and 4x4, but on the 3x3 and 5x5, all the faces have the design. Now, to solve the cube, make the face without the checkerboard design on it, the front face, and move the front layer twice, move the right layer twice, move the upper layer twice, and move the right layer twice. And now you solved the cube. The second pattern is called pillars. To make this pattern, move the right layer twice, then move the front layer twice, then move the right layer twice again. And you have the pattern. To bring the cube back to its original state, we do the same steps again. The right layer twice, front layer twice, and then the right layer twice again. Now you have solved the cube. The last pattern is called cube in a cube. This pattern is a little bit advanced because it has a somewhat longer algorithm. But in my opinion, it is still worth learning. The pattern, turn the top layer right, the left layer up, the top layer right twice, the left layer up, the bottom layer left, the left layer down, the top layer right twice, the left layer up, bottom layer right, the left layer up twice, the top layer right. Now we will rotate the cube so that the bottom becomes the top and the front layer stays the same. Front layer left, bottom layer right twice, front layer right, bottom layer left, left layer down, bottom layer left, left layer up. Now we have the cube in a cube pattern. The twisted corners are in the front and in the back. To bring the cube back to its normal state, we will rotate the cube like this, then do the algorithm again. So we move to the right, up, right twice, up, left, down, right twice, up, twice, right. Now we rotate the cube so that the bottom becomes the top. You move the front layer to the left, right twice, right, left, down, left, up, and you've solved the cube. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which pattern you like the best. Please like, subscribe, and comment this video. Thank you for watching.